In this support video, we will be installing and replacing the inside oven glass for all Espresso models. Open the oven door, and located on each side are the oven door brackets. Unclip both brackets. Bring the oven door to a halfway close, resting on the open hinges. With both hands, slightly close the oven door and gently lift it off the hinges. Unscrew the top side screws of the top door trim. Gently remove the top door trim. With the glass exposed, push the glass forward from the bottom door access. From the top, gently remove the glass. Recommended to wear gloves when handling the new glass to be installed. Gently slide the glass into position and in between the front and back tracks. Place the two black rubber stoppers into the marking positions. Place back the top trim and screw into position here. Do not over-tighten the screws. Place back the oven door by placing it back into the hinges. Ensure that the brackets are properly inserted into the hinge groove. Lock the brackets. This completes the installation.